In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 trending digital products that can make you $14,495 per month or more, like they're making me right now, and how you can sell these online right now organically without needing any paid ads. Okay, the first trending digital product that I want to talk about is a paid school community. This is an awesome way to build your income and recurring income while creating a valuable space for your audience. School is a platform that allows you to combine digital product hosting, a community, a leaderboard to encourage engagement in your community, and even a calendar where you can easily let your community know when and where your calls are going to be taking place if you decide to do them. It's perfect for those who want to build a tight-knit community while getting MRR, monthly recurring revenue. Members can pay a monthly or a yearly price to join your paid community to get access to different digital products, or maybe just one digital product. They can get access to a community, leaderboard, coaching calls, whatever you decide to put in it. Imagine charging $30 a month for your paid community and having 200 members. That's $6,000 a month in recurring income. And the best part is that creating a school community is actually super easy. And I also actually have a link below to get 14 days for free if you want to check it out. But creating it is really easy because basically you just log in. They already have the community set up. You just get to come up with what categories do you want. They already have the leaderboard set up. You just get to come up with, okay, once they engage this much, they can unlock this training or this prize. Or, you don't even have to do a leaderboard if you don't want to, but it does really help with engagement. They already have the classroom set up. This is where you can host any digital products, trainings, workshops, courses, anything you want to include in your community. They have the calendar set up. You just go in and put what date and time you want to do your calls if you're going to do calls. So it's very easy. The framework is already there. You just kind of go in and put your stuff in. Really cannot recommend it enough. I've been using it for over 4 months now, and I have no intentions of switching. I wouldn't even know what to switch to because this is just so cool. It's kind of like in a category of its own. Definitely really highly recommend it. Okay, the second unique digital product that we're going to talk about is AI-powered chatbots. So I learned something recently that's really, really cool. I think you do have to have the paid version of ChatGPT. Let me know in the comments if you know. But for me, I only need the tier that's like $26 a month. So it's very affordable. But you can actually create your own ChatGPT bot, like using the ChatGPT software. I could actually make a bot for my students that's like pre-programmed to help them write their sales page, or that's pre-programmed to help them come up with their niche on YouTube or whatever that is. So you can actually pre-program like different prompts and things to make a chat GPT prompt that's actually like trained to spit out helpful answers on specific things. Like, this is a digital product that I'm thinking of creating next, or maybe adding it into my membership or making it an order bump or something. I think it's really cool. I haven't heard a lot of people talking about this. I feel like it's sort of like a new thing. And if you train it to help somebody with something really specific, like, okay, let's say you teach gym owners on how to get more clients for their gym. You could literally train a ChatGPT bot on how to write like good marketing materials specific to gym owners. So that way they don't have to spend all that time training their own ChatGPT bot. They can just type things in and it will give them the correct answers. It's already trained to do the correct type of marketing specifically for gyms. It's really, really cool. You can go check it out. Just create a ChatGPT profile. You might be able to do it for free. I think you have to pay though. Like I said, I pay $26 a month. I can create my own bots now. And this is just a digital product that I feel like nobody is really doing yet. And I feel like this is super unique and genuinely like the future of digital products. Let's say you create a specific AI chatbot and you charge like $10 per month for it. And then let's say you get 300 members. That's $3,000 recurring per month. And really, it just took you the time to sort of set up and train the bot. And of course, you might want to put time into it, ongoing to continue training it and making it better, especially as like ChatGPT and AI advances. But these are recurring payments. So I really just see this as like a future digital product that I think would be really, really cool. So far, I've shared 2 unique digital products and I have 3 more to go. But if you want my full list of all 54 different types of digital products so you can find one that's right for you, go in the description below this video and you can download it for free now. Okay, the third unique digital product is online workshops. Now, maybe you've heard of these before. I'm not sure. They might not be as unique as some of the other ones, but I still don't see enough people actually doing these. So in that sense, I feel like they are unique, and I feel like they're just so untapped because they're one of the easiest digital products to just get up and running and make sales with the fastest. So I definitely wanted to touch on that in this video. Okay, so what is a digital workshop? Well, think of a workshop you attended in person. Maybe it was a workshop on social media marketing back in the day, or how to speak another language, or maybe it was like a pottery workshop. I'm attending pottery workshops right now. It's super fun. It's the same as that. It's just online. So instead of teaching it in person, you would teach it through something like Zoom or Google Meet. And what's really cool is you can actually pre-record this, or you can teach it live and then sell the recording. So you can sell it live and the recording, or you can just sell the recording. And what's cool is you just have to make it once. This isn't like an ongoing thing. I mean, you could have an ongoing workshop, but then that kind of borders on like course, right? Normally for me, an online workshop is just a one-off where I teach everything using slides through Zoom, and I'll teach it live and then record it, and I'll sell people live seats, and then I'll also sell the recording as well. It's honestly the perfect digital product to get started with because you can sell tickets to the workshop before it's happened because it's live. It's just like selling concert tickets. Like people buy tickets before the concert actually happens, right? Same thing with workshops. You're able to sell it before it happens. And what this does is it actually lets you test the market to make sure people are actually going to buy this. Okay, so let's say you decide to charge just $50 for this workshop and you sell 100 seats. That's $5,000, and you can pre-sell this and deliver the workshop live, or you can pre-record it and deliver it that way too. It's such a win in order to test your idea, get paid up front, and then of course be able to deliver on the workshop as well. Okay, the fourth unique digital product is paid podcasts. Now, a paid podcast is just like a regular podcast, but it's paid. I know, crazy, right? So this could be just a series that doesn't go on forever. It could be just like 5 static podcasts that are private and paid for. So people could just pay a one-time fee, and instead of getting access to like a live Zoom, they could get access to all that workshop materials in a series or one private podcast that they pay for. So again, this could be thought of like a workshop or a course, but instead of like visuals, it could just be audio only. It could be a private podcast. When I used to take horseback riding lessons in Austin, my horseback riding instructor, she actually had an app that was essentially a private podcast that you would put one headphone in while you were riding, and she would guide you through your riding lesson. Or you could do something where instead of a static private podcast, it could be ongoing. And then this way, instead of just charging one price, you're able to charge people monthly. So let's say you want to take my riding instructor's private podcast, you want to listen to lessons, you want to do them at home or wherever, then she could actually sell like ongoing lessons. Like every week she drops a new lesson. And so you're able to pay monthly. She's able to get monthly recurring revenue, and you're able to get a new training lesson every single week. Like, how cool is that? Okay, so let's say you charge $15 a month and you get 200 subscribers. That would be $3,000 in monthly recurring revenue, or MRR. And now you might be wondering, well, how do I create a private podcast? How is it actually locked down so I can charge, but only the people who pay get access? There is a software called Hello Audio. I'm not sponsored. I don't even have an affiliate link. I probably should get one. But I do know the girl who owns it. It's been around for actually a really long time. It's a very good software. All the people I know that use it absolutely love it. So definitely check that out if this is a digital product route that you'd like to go. Okay, the fifth unique digital product I want to talk with you about is a done for you membership. So my membership is not done for you. It's more sort of like done with you, or DIY. We give you all the templates, the scripts, the trainings, everything you need to guide you through learning and taking action to make money with digital products. But there are also things called done for you memberships. So let's say you own a business like me where you sell digital products online, right? Well, there are done for you memberships that just give you like a new email script every week or a new Canva template every week. Those are done for you memberships. And what's cool is, as a business owner, let's say every week I want to send an email, but I can't think of what to write about. Well, I would subscribe to this membership. Let's say I pay $20 a month, and every week they're giving me an email that I just have to tweak, and it saves me tons and tons of time. Or let's take my old photography business, for example. I'm running a photography photography business, every week I need to come up with like new promotion for my business, let's say. Well, what if I subscribe to a membership where every single week they send me a new promotion with a new Canva template? This is exactly what a done for you membership is. And actually how I found out about this is I love the show Survivor. Like, I don't know, let me know in the comments if you love that show. I'm not gonna lie, like I went so many years without even watching it. And then during COVID, I like binged the entire series and I'm obsessed with it. And in the Survivor season that happened last year, there was a player, her name's Liz Wilcox, and she actually does a done for you membership. So she has a membership, and I believe it is email copy, where you subscribe and it's either week or month, I'm not sure, she sends you a new email that you can tweak to send to your list to like nurture and get sales. And when I heard that, I was like, that is so brilliant. And I'm pretty sure she said she did it before she went on Survivor so that her business could still make money while she was gone playing Survivor. And I just was like, that's so brilliant. Like, why are people not talking more about these done for you memberships? Okay, now that I've shared with you the 5 unique digital product ideas, let's talk about how you can sell these organically without any paid ads. So first off, contrary to popular belief, you do not need paid ads and you do not need to sell your digital products on someone else's platform, okay? Like, not only do I not recommend that, I don't do it. I don't think it's the best strategy. I don't think it's good at all. I think it's very hard. And I think that's why a lot of people ask me, well, how do I stand out in a sea of competition? Well, yeah, if you're trying to sell on like Etsy or Amazon, there's tons of competitors and there's no real way for you to stand out. I mean, even if you say want to make an ebook on like fitness recipes, there's going to be like a million ebooks on fitness recipes. Like, what is going to make you stand out? Well, I have the answer for you. What is going to make you stand out is not selling on those platforms. It is creating your own platform, your own audience. I have been selling digital products this way since 2014. So when I first started in 2014, that's when blogging and Pinterest was really popular. So that's what I did. I was able to grow an email list of over 80,000 people. This is when I educated photographers. But don't worry. Yes, that is an outdated strategy. Yes, that is my story from a long time ago. But don't worry, I've done this again recently with this current business that I have now. I decided, you know what? I need to grow again organically. This is the best way, is to sell your digital products with your own platform to your own audience and grow organically. So what I decided to do was, you know what? Blogging and Pinterest, it's outdated. I've also tried it recently. It doesn't work that well, but guess what does work? Guess. It's what you're watching right now. YouTube. YouTube is the platform for like 2025 and beyond. It's just the best. Okay, so what you need to do is start making videos, grow your own following on YouTube, move those followers to email subscribers. Bam. Now you have your own platform. You're not competing with anyone, because why people are subscribing to you is you. So even if you sell fitness ebooks, even if you sell how to do digital products, like all these niches that are super saturated. I mean, you can do a non-saturated one too, but the ones that are really saturated, they're saturated for a reason. People do buy those things. But how you'll stand out is your own platform. People will buy from you because they like you. They like your personality. They like how you teach, right? So that is what you need to do. And that is how you can sell your digital products organically. Now, of course, I have way more videos on this channel going more into depth on how to grow on YouTube, how to move your followers to email subscribers. I even have an amazing low-cost membership, and you can get a free training on how to come up with your digital product, how to create it, how to sell it, and you can access that for free. It's the first link in the description below this video. Okay, now that you know the 5 trending digital products and how to sell them online organically, you might be wanting to learn how to create an ebook step by step. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts with watching this video next here, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it's going to be way more powerful. See you in the next video.